So a lot of people ask me why I trade the Forex market as opposed to doing any other type of business. And the biggest reason is because the Forex market is the biggest market in the world. It's bigger than property. It's bigger than business. It's a $7.5 trillion per day business. $7.5 trillion per day. That was what was recorded in 2022, which is 14% up from the 2019 statistics. So it's a fantastic industry to be in, and you don't have to do a lot of business to have a small piece of the pie. So it's a small industry where if you can just capture 0.00001% of the Forex market, you will become rich beyond your wildest dreams. So I highly recommend that you get into the Forex world. There are two ways that you can earn mainly in the Forex industry. The first way is to either trade yourself or use automated Forex trading to trade for you. And if you're interested in making some passive income and you want to learn how to make passive income with Forex, in the comment section of this video is the link to my website where I show you my Forex robot, which has got 8 years trading success. So before I go any further, I want you to please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and then comment on this video. And I'd like to hear from you what subjects you'd like me to speak about and what you're interested in. So now to get back to the questions, the second way that you can earn in Forex is by promoting the broker that you use where you trade your Forex. Now the reason you want to do that is because you will earn an affiliate commission for every trade that the person that you introduce makes on their account, which is absolutely amazing. So and that can build very, very quickly. So I mean, imagine if you had 100 people trading using your affiliate link, and each person trades X amount of lots, you will make X amount of dollars. That is passive income, and your passive income grows according to the amount of people that you promote your affiliate link to. So those are the two ways that you can promote and make money in the Forex industry. Okay, so if you're interested in doing that and earning some passive income by promoting a broker, I've got a fantastic broker that we use. It's in the comment section. Now, the main reason why you want to use our broker is because we can have the swap fees removed for you. Now, a swap fee is a fee that is charged on your account for holding a trade over a 24-hour period. It's like an interest that a bank would charge you for borrowing money from the bank. Now, if you look on my screen, you'll see that on the picture, it says there that $3.8 trillion per day are charged in swap fees alone. So you don't want to become a victim, okay, to any broker that's going to charge you these swap fees. Now, there's very few brokers that allow the swap fees to be removed. The only time that you can get the swap fees removed from other brokers is if you are following the Sharia law, which is the law that the Muslims use. And it's basically their philosophy is that no, they don't charge interest, and no interest can be charged on their accounts. So they like interest-free accounts. Okay, so we are able to get that fee removed for you. Now, the swap fee can eat significantly into your profit. So at the end of the year, if you look back at the amount of profit that you made as opposed to what you could have made because the broker took the swap fees and added the swap fees to your account, you will see that you'll add an extra maybe 5, 10, could be 15, could be 20% extra profit onto your bottom line, which is absolutely huge. So I highly recommend that you use the broker that we use. The broker is licensed in 4 countries: Belize, Cyprus, South Africa, and Australia. And they're probably one of the biggest brokers in the world. They've got 22 million traders worldwide. You can deposit via Bitcoin, you can do an EFT from South Africa, you can do bank transfers, You can deposit in Ethereum, USDT, Litecoin, and there are many different payment gateways that you can use, including Perfect Money, and I think there's another one which I can't remember. So I highly recommend that you use that broker. So in the description of this video, please go and check it out. The link to the broker is there. So if you check out the comment section, there's various different links in the comment section. One is my free Learn to Read a Forex Chart website, which will teach you, and you can also promote that because it's free. You can teach it, you can send it to the people that you introduce to the Forex broker, where they will learn how to trade any financial instrument. And in the comment section as well is the link to my passive income robot, which you can go check out, and also the link to the broker. So check out those links, and also don't forget to subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button, and also leave a comment in the comment section of what you enjoyed most about this video. And if you'd like to ask me a question or ask me to make a video on a subject that you're interested in, please also leave that in the comment section. So I hope that you enjoyed this video.